Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kitty and this is Florida Girl Talk. So I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. I'm calling it Christmas look number 1. I might do like 3 or 4. So this is number 1. Let me get up close. So I'm actually going to show you guys how I did this step by step. Now, as you guys saw in the title, it is called Makeup Pit Stop. I think that's what I called it. Makeup Pit Stop. I don't know. We're gonna find out together. Anyways, so I think it's called Makeup Pit Stop, and my husband came up with that name because I'm gonna fast forward it. So it's just gonna be like a quickie. No, Makeup Quickie. That's the name. Why did I call it? No, he thought of Makeup Pit Stop. And then I was like, no. Anyway, so Makeup Quickie. So hashtag Makeup Quickie. I don't know. We're going to figure out whatever hashtag I have in the title. If you guys want to go ahead and play with makeup yourself. I wanted to call it playing with makeup. But that was taken by like almost 100,000 on Instagram. I want to say it was like 87,000. I don't know. So Makeup Quickie, I think it was that one. I don't know, you guys. Whatever the title is, you know, when you guys clicked on the video. Okay, so I'm gonna call this hashtag blank. Whatever I decide to go with. It's gonna be right here. Right here. Makeup, no, what? Hashtag this. And then if you guys want to get creative and play with your own makeup, then do hashtag blah 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 and put like FGT, Florida Girl Talk. That way I know that you watched this video, and tag me on Instagram if you take a picture. If you happen to make a video on YouTube, still take a picture and put it on Instagram. Do hashtag this FGT at the end, Florida Girl Talk. So I don't know, I'm like, I like this look. It's not like too crazy, you know, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did the glittery green liner, and I went step by step on camera, but I didn't speak step by step. So you guys are about to see what I mean. It's just going to be fast forwarded. But I did take my time and show you guys like each item. For example, like let's just say this. I did take my time and I went like this so you can see the name of the product that I used. And in this case, I did show the shade. So you're going to see it. Now, as for the lipstick, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not crazy about it. It is LA Colors Lip Duo. And this is the one I went with. I'll tell you the shade in just a second. The shade is Charmed. If you have a lip liner to go with the color, then it's great. It's just difficult to outline the lips with this. I could not get it right. As you guys can see, I couldn't get it right outlining it with this. So I would get, as long as you have a lip liner in the shade of whatever color you go with. These were from Dollar Tree. And also, I know you guys are probably wondering, this here, I made it. This is homemade. And it's like a serum slash moisturizer all in one. I love this. I use it day, night, right before makeup. I love this stuff. And I actually have a video on how I made this. And that's also in the description box below. I think it's called My Natural Skincare Routine, something like that. You guys, if you're like not a new subscriber, you know my memory is like, so I don't remember right now the name, but it will be in the description box. So, and if I forget to put it in the description box, just let me know and I'll add it in. But yeah, I will show you guys how I made this. This stuff is magical. I love it. But yeah, so this is my first Christmas look, and I actually plan on doing more videos like this, so you guys are gonna see a lot more of this. This is gonna be the most I speak on these videos because I just talk too much, as you guys can see. We're already 5 minutes in. Oh no, I gotta cut some of this out. But anyways, I will be doing a lot more videos like this, sped up. So not much talking at all. If you guys like those videos where there's no talking, let me know by giving me a thumbs up or the comments below. That's where you will let me know. So that way I can make more of these videos for you guys. I have fun making this one. So as long as you guys like it, I'm gonna keep making these. So I just want to say, in case you don't see this, in case you don't subscribe, which I hope you do, but if you don't, I just want to say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff. And just enjoy your holidays with your loved ones. And I hope you actually subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Love you guys.